Say her name.
Breonna Taylor.
Say her name.
Breonna Taylor.
I've waited 874 days for today.
It's here now.
It's here now.
Amen.
For 874 days, Tamika Palmer, activists and protesters across the country have been calling for justice for Breonna Taylor, the 26-year-old emergency room technician whom police shot dead in her home during a nighttime raid in March of 2020. Louisville police officers executed a search warrant related to a drug investigation that Breonna Taylor had nothing to do with. They used a battering ram to enter her home around midnight. Police say they knocked and announced themselves. Breonna Taylor's boyfriend says all they heard was loud banging and got no answer when they asked who was at the door. Breonna Taylor's boyfriend feared it was a break-in, so he fired his gun once. That's when police blindly fired multiple rounds into the apartment, shooting Breonna Taylor. She did not receive immediate medical attention. She died that night. There were no drugs found in the apartment. So for 874 days, Breonna Taylor's family and people across this country have been asking law enforcement to hold the police who killed her accountable. And at one point, in September of 2020, just months after she was killed, it looked like maybe that day would come. A Kentucky grand jury had a chance to indict 3 officers involved in Breonna Taylor's death. They indicted one. The grand jury charged him with 3 counts of wanton endangerment for shooting into a neighbor's apartment, not for shooting Breonna Taylor, and he was later acquitted. Fast forward to today when the federal Justice Department weighed in.
Justice Department has charged 4 current and former Louisville Metro Police Department officers with federal crimes related to Ms. Taylor's death. Those alleged crimes include civil rights offenses, unlawful conspiracies, unconstitutional use of force, and obstruction offenses. Federal charges announced today allege that members of the Place-Based Investigations Unit falsified the affidavit used to obtain the search warrant of Ms. Taylor's home, that this act violated federal civil rights laws, and that those violations resulted in Ms. Taylor's death.
The 4 officers charged include 3 officers who were part of the investigative unit which obtained the search warrant to raid Breonna Taylor's home that night. The 4th is Brett Hankison, the officer who was fired from the police department for shooting blindly into Taylor's home. The Justice Department has been investigating the practices of the Louisville Police Department for a year now, and today the Department of Justice argues that 3 of the officers made false claims in the search warrant affidavit connecting Breonna Taylor to their drug investigation. The DOJ also argues that Hankison deprived Taylor, her boyfriend, and their neighbors of their constitutional rights when he fired recklessly into the apartment through a window covered with blinds. Now, if these officers are convicted of any of these charges, they could face years in prison. For example, willfully violating someone's rights when it results in death can result in a maximum sentence of life in prison. The indictment today did not name the officers who actually shot and killed Taylor, but at the very least, 874 days after Breonna Taylor was killed, these are the potential consequences these 4 officers now face. One of Breonna Taylor's family attorneys, Ben Crump, put it this way after the charges were announced.
As Dr. King said, the moral arc of the universe is long, but it bends towards justice. Well, today it bent towards Breonna Taylor.